People often leave Agile training feeling motivated and ready to improve. But when they return to work, the environment usually hasn't changed. Without practice, even valuable lessons are quickly forgotten. Understanding Agile is important. Applying it consistently is what creates change. That's why Agile Yogi goes beyond training with assignments, feedback, and real-world application. Real transformation happens through repeated practice, not one-time events.
Discover how Agile Yogi helps organizations build clarity, alignment, and better outcomes.